Hey, what's up everybody? Quick video. If you have a Honda and you disconnected your battery, or you have a dead battery and you finally get it working and you have all these dash lights going on crazy, don't panic. This is completely normal. Every Honda nowadays does this. So what you do to get rid of this, except my gas light, I do have low gas and my brake is on, but how you get rid of this is you just basically start your car and go drive. If your car is driving fine, go do a mile or two and all these lights should go out. Mine didn't even go a mile before mine went out. Now on Accords, it seems like it takes a lot longer, but on this RAV, it's pretty quick. I made it out of the parking lot and then they went out. But if you have an Accord and you drive around, or another Honda, and it's still not going out, then go 2 miles, pull over, park, turn the car off, turn the car back on, and then repeat. And then make sure when you're driving around, you do full turns. Also, if your windows are automatic, you may need to reinitialize. You just hold the button up and roll the window all the way up and hold it up for 5 seconds, and then go down and hold the button down for 5 seconds and repeat, and then the window should be reinitialized. All right, guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now, AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff. And then it'll display to you all of the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.